Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl vibing with Gladys. Today I'm back with another vlog for cleaning materials. So I went and I buy some cleaning materials. Some people were saying, show us your cleaning material, show us your cleaning material. So I was like, okay girl. Once my cleaning materials, like most of my cleaning materials are done, so I just had to do, one or two quick things that I use for cleaning. So first I have this one, the scoring sponge. It's like, I think they're like 10 inside. How many? There are 10 pieces inside. 10 pieces. Go a long way. Then I've got this one. Vinley powder free gloves. They are important, guys. They just finished last week, so I had to restock again. And then I have this one. What do you call it? Multi-purpose towels, microfiber cloth. They are so good. So this one is done. I'll just be showing you, and I'll be putting it back in the plastic so that I'll just go and put it in the kitchen. Okay, then next I had this pepper. Oh, what's this? Not too much, but it's heavy because it's liquid ink and air freshener. Air freshener is very important. We're short of air freshener. Surface cleaner. I wanted to buy, it's by Miss Bright Glass and surface cleaner. I wanted to buy what do you call it, the wooden, but this one was like surface cleaner, so it's like I can use it for cleaning also and for glass, so it's like a multi-purpose. And then some bin bags. There were 4. How many are they inside? I usually buy. I never. Also in each pack like this is 20 pieces, so 20, it's like 80 packs of beans. And then I have also Jif. It was on special offer, guys. It was going for 16. So I'll put it back again in the plastic, then I'll go and pack it properly there. Then lastly, those at the back. Oh, this one still has also, but it's just a few things. So I have this one, floor cleaner, guys. I really love this. I really love this scent. It smells like, I really love it. I really love it. And this was for 17 dirham. I bought 2 Harpics as well. Oh, is it open? Oh, I thought it opened. Okay. 2 Harpics. Each was 6 dirhams. And then lastly, I got a fairy liquid, with where you can use it and almost everywhere. So guys, this is what I bought for my cleaning materials that I always use in my house. Some of you were asking what I use, so this is what I do, and this maybe would take me like 2 to 3 months with these items. So it's a bargain. It's a good it's like price wise, it's like reasonable. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. If you've been watching this far, see you in my next video. Bye.